Hi again. Today I will make a video about how to repair or how to fix the dreads in the Hot Sheet Toys Predator figures. You can fix the paint into the dreads. I don't know. I still very disappointed with Hot Toys and his shitting toys because expensive. His life, his time of living is very short. That means that in 3 or 4 years you have many problems with your figure. You can find many problems, for example, in the Predator series. The dreads, this part start to fall. For example, this one, he lost completely all his paint. And that is happening with every Predator figure that I have. And for several months I tried to find a good solution for this. The principal solution that I have find that using metal beds, this is the beds using for the neck glass. It's a metallic, looks very nice, but it's too hard to find a good bed with a special shape to be in relation with the dreads in the Predator figure. And also the size is not easy to find the real thing. And for this figure I use to make the reparation a special paint that I have found in the hobby. It's not a hobby shop where you can find many models in plastic models, etc. It's a female hobby shop, with things for girls, paint, special to make fuck, I don't know how to say in English. Where I find this paint, this is a French paint. This is a special paint that make a relief. It makes a voluminous. You can put, for example, here. It's not a paint that you can see. It's a he makes a volume. The paint. When this thing is when this thing is I don't know how to say, when he is good, he becomes very strong, and it's acrylic. He don't destroy your dreads. It's very hard to lose. Becomes a kind of plastic. It's very hard. I try to with my fingers to put down to fold the paint, but it's very resistant. The color is metallic gold. It's very nice. I think that the color is very gold, but I think it's a very fine, very nice solution to make the reparation in the dreads, the paint of the Predators. I think that I will stop to collecting Hot Toys because I really want to make a video explaining how marvelous is this toy, but finally I only make videos to say how to repair this shit. So now it's not very nice to do that. All the time we need to say how to fix this shit. Thank you. Hi, this is the Predator 2, the City Hunter. I have made the repaint of the dreads, the beds in the dreads. You know, I use the silver color, copper color, and something more red. It's like copper, but red, a little red. It's metallic. It's very nice. This kind of paint is nice, I think. You notice to make voluminous parts with paint, and this is the silver color. I think it's very nice to make reparations. You know, you can find metallic colors, and this color can be applied over any surface. With his propriety to be voluminous, you know, he produces a strong shape. You know, for example, this one, this is a dread that I have detached accidentally. I was taking the dread, he come off. You can see here. As if the paint is really well attached, you know, to the dread. It's acrylic, you know, it's very resistant to the touch. You know, the paint don't came off, still here, and it's very nice. I'd be very happy to find this solution with the dreads. Now I need to find a solution to glue the dreads in the head, but I think this solution with the color, this kind of color, is very nice. You can find this paint in a girl hobby shop. You know, it's a hobby shop where they are the painters. It's something to make dolls of clothes. You know, you can find all this kind of materials to do this. The first solution was to buy the beds, metal beds, and I think this solution is also nice because this is metal. The metal part can really fit in the dread, and he looks very nice. He looks nice. He's very well attached, but it's very hard to find the right shape and the right size. You know, for example, in this kind of beds is only 2 millimeters hole or 3 millimeters hole. This thing only fits in the extreme part of the dread. For example, here. You know, only here is too hard to find for the dreads of 4 millimeters. You know, well, I hope that this can help someone to repair their figures. I think that this head, the first head of the Predator, is amazing. I think it's the better head ever. It's very well done. So I don't know why Hot Toys do that shit again. His second version sucks. Really, his second version really sucks. And I also think that the head from Predator 1 is so nice. I think it's very well done too. I hope that Hot Toys really start to do a better work now. I paid for this thing, I think 140 or 160. Wow, that times. Well, see you later, guys.